So my friends, when this Rotary year began, we set ourselves a lofty goal to raise $2 million for the Rotary Foundation. Some say it was an impossible dream, a milestone that had never been achieved by our district. But we dared to believe, because Rotary itself was born of impossible dreams. And tonight that dream is no longer distant. As of this evening, I'm happy to say that we have already raised $600,000. How about that? And to add to the good news, we have firm commitments for another $700,000. So now we stand at an inspiring $1.3 million. We are close, so very close. Close enough to see the summit. Close enough to prove that faith and fellowship can really move mountains. But our journey is not complete. The final stretch awaits us. It will take every heart, every club, and every act of belief to bring this dream to life. Because remember this truth, we do not give to the foundation, we give through the foundation. Let me say that one more time. We do not give to the foundation, we give through the foundation.